Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. I just posted a video on how to change your font from points to inches. And if same thing, one of the gentlemen said, well, that only works in capital letters. Well, I've got it on 1 inch or like 1.5 or whatever, but it's still not 1 inch tall. So the capitals don't really matter. Now, what another person, he actually sent me a video. So if you had a lot of text, and let's just do 2 lines. If I could type. So we've got that. This isn't going to work with 2 lines because of the space between it. But if we made them a 1 inch font, you can see they're still together, even with the space, they're not going to be 1 inch. So what he suggested, and we could go Control K to break the fonts together apart. And with your ratio lock, change this to 1 inch. Well, I must have unlocked my ratio. Let's back up here. No, I unlocked it. So let's make that 1 inch. Yeah, there we go. So now that font is 1 inch tall. And we go here and we go 1 inch. That font is 1 inch tall. And we can verify that 2 ways. One, we could do it this way with the parallel dimension tool. And we got a straight edge there on the F. So let's just go from there to there. And you can see we're 0.96, which is pretty close. But it really, I think it's closer than that because some of these fonts are taller. So what you can do is pick your font and hold down the shift key and double click on your rectangle. And you can see now that the S is touching the 1 inch line in the O, but the N and the T and the F are short. I don't know why that is. Let's try a different font. Let's try this right here. A lot of times you got to click off of it and click back on it. And let's make it 1 inch. And you can see it's only 0.67. So if we go right here and make it 1 inch, the ratio is right because it did it. So we can hold down the shift key and double click on the rectangle. And then when we move the rectangle away, the rectangle is 1 inch tall. So this font is actually closer. Let's look at this font without a fill and an outline. And you can see this particular font is more on the money. But it still doesn't measure if you have the font. Well, now it is 1 inch. Anyway, I hope that helps a little bit. Thank you for watching.